up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. On today's episode of Chasing Classic Cars, we are headed to Central PA. We're gonna look at a 66 Mustang. It's driver quality. Client originally bought it from a guy out in Richmond. He traded a truck for it, so he gave us a call. We're gonna go take a look at it. As far as we can tell, it's a clean car. It's not perfect by any means, but it seems like a solid driver quality, perfect for what we sell. We'll see you when we get there. You traded, you said a guy from Richmond?
Yeah, Richmond, Virginia. I traded him a 54 Ford pickup.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because I went from 14-inch to 15-inch wheels, and it was sitting a little low, so I put the air shocks on it, get better clearance.
So when you did the trade, what made you do the trade with this?
I wanted the truck out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, and I like this here. It's decent.
So you got it over the summer, you got it going, you put a bunch of stuff to it.
Yep.
So just to go over the list one more time. So you did fuel pump, a mechanical fuel pump.
Yep.
You did carburetor.
Upper and lower radiator hoses.
Yep.
The air shocks, wheels and tires, gas tank.
And then for the brakes?
The brakes in the front.
Yep.
They were locked up whenever I got it.
Okay. So
and
you
a dual bull master cylinder.
All right, so you got it pretty much running and driving, moving on its own power. And what else does the vehicle need to get it, you know?
The carburetor needs adjusted, I know that.
Okay. Was it Summit?
Yeah. Yeah, I have the box over here. I can put that in the trunk for you.
Okay. The reason why I asked you where to come from, because I just sold one that's almost the same hood scoop.
Oh, yeah.
Identical car to a guy, and I was like, did he already sell that car? I thought it was the same car because in the pictures I saw the wheels you had before, the same wheels I sold it was on the car. Yeah, I thought it was almost the same car, but it's not.
Yeah, no, this came from Richmond, Virginia. A guy by the name of Gino.
Oh, okay.
He had it, redid it for his son, and then he didn't want it. So then he offered this for the truck, and I took it. The reason I'm selling is me and my wife are having health problems. So
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I just can't do anything.
All right, guys, we just put a deal together for this Mustang. I'm in Dunk Cannon, PA. Guy bought it, I actually took it in trade for a truck from a guy in Virginia. Car does definitely sit well. It's a driver quality. The paint is not 9 out of 10, but it's a, you know, it'll buff out real nice. It should be a solid driving car. It's got nice wheels on it. He did fuel tank, bunch of parts he put on it, which you heard earlier. The cool thing about this car is when we pop the hood, I did discover it's an F code, which is originally a 260. It's a 64 and a half. But it looks like it's got, what is this, 289?
Yeah. That's what they told me.
Yeah, 289, 302, most likely a 289. But F code, it's an early model Mustang, which gives it a cool factor. I think this thing will clean up really good. We'll probably replace these bezels here, do a little TLC to it, set the timing, adjust the carburetor, and then put it up for sale. We'll keep this one cheap. We'll, you know, not going to do full restoration on it, but we'll definitely get it up to par, make it a solid driver for somebody, because it does have a lot of new parts on it, and go from there. But overall, I'm definitely happy with the purchase. It definitely shows very well. And it'll be a cheap Mustang for somebody. All right, guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see me buy new cars. This is chasing classic cars. That's all I do every day. Go out and buy cars. Just bought the 64.5 Mustang, which is pretty cool. Got a surprise on it. Thought it was a 65, which is pretty awesome. So appreciate you guys checking out the page. Please hit the like button. Talk to you guys later.